guys, what's up? It's Kay and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be reviewing hair from HAIRSMARKET. I've worked with them previously and I typically really love their hair, but first I'm going to show you what they gave me. They gave me some lashes and then they also gave me a wig cap, and the box also came with this info card. So basically it has all the information about styles and textures that you can get from them, and I also have the link if you want to shop with them. And this is the wig itself. It is 24 inches and it is a Brazilian straight wig, but I was super shook when I saw the inside of the wig. So this is how it's constructed. I don't know if you guys know, but there's a lace shortage in the world, so companies are getting really innovative as to how much lace they're using. So this only comes with the top front of the frontal and the middle part. So yeah, it is less maintenance. I genuinely found it much easier, but the rest of the wig is normal. It's got the clips at the bottom with some lace, and it's got some hooks, and the tracks look really nice and they're nicely made. Nothing is tearing off, nothing is falling apart, everything is perfect. So all I'm really gonna do is take a scissor and cut off that lace at the bottom and also pin the clips to make it tighter. Then we're gonna move on to the styling and the installation of the hair. This part was really easy. All I really had to do was put my hair in a ponytail, cut the lace nicely, and just stick it on. So all I'm doing in this section is measuring out my ears and my ear tabs, and this is standard. This is something you have to do with all lace frontals, and yeah, it just makes sure that the lace fits you properly. So after tinting it with my foundation, this is literally all the lace that there is. I'm gonna take some Got2 B and I'm going to apply it to the perimeter of my head and stick that down. So that's all the lace you have to deal with. I do not think that I'd recommend plucking a hairline like this, mainly because the tracks are really close, so you might run the risk of seeing the track when you pluck it. So yeah, I feel like that's mainly why I felt like this was an easier installation. I didn't have to do too much to the wig, but it does lay like a closure in my opinion. So yeah, I could be doing something wrong, but I genuinely do think that it's just too much track for you to be plucking it, so no. So yeah, after installing it and making sure that everything looks fine, I'm basically going to start wrapping it just to lay it down properly. I'm just going to take a satin scarf and wrap that around my head. So then when that is like done and I've got my makeup on and everything, I'm going to undo the little bun I did and I'm going to brush my hair and start straightening it. This hair was so simple to straighten. I honestly am a fan of how easy it was to straighten. So yeah, all I'm really going to do is go across my whole head with a hot straightener and just make sure that my hair is sleeky deaky. I love myself a bone straight wig, and since this came as a middle part, I didn't even have to pluck a middle part. Yo, like this was perfect for me. And yeah guys, that's basically it. If you guys want to shop this wig, then go into my description box. I have all the details you guys need down below. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to shop anything else, maybe a curly wig or anything like that, I have the shop link to HAIRSMARKET as well down below. So yeah, you guys just go check that out. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.